Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a video that is going to be about BoxyCharm. I'm actually going to be doing the Boxyluxe box. So if you guys don't know what the Boxyluxe box is, it's like the BoxyCharm monthly one that you get, but you get it every 3 months and you are able to get a big box, and it's like really good products. You get like really good brand names, and you get a lot of cool good things, which is like an upgraded value. And I tried it and I've loved it so far. I've got really cool nice things, so I'm gonna share what I got this month with you guys. And it's actually $51 I think, or $50, and they only send you one box. At the beginning they were sending both the Boxyluxe and the BoxyCharm, but eventually they just started sending one, so that's what they do now. But I think it's worth it. I think it's worth it because you get really, all of them are full size, and you get really good name products. Like, I'm not even like lying to you guys, like I got products that I'm like, wow, I would have probably never purchased on their own because they're expensive. So with no further questions asked, let's go ahead and get started. So let me just show you the box, and it looks pretty big compared to the BoxyCharm box. So this is how big it is. Let me scoot a little bit back to show you guys, because okay, so I think this is better for you guys to see compared to me. So this is how big it looks, and then in the front it's gonna say BoxyCharm as well. And something fell out of my box, wow. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got, and I'm gonna talk to you guys about if I'm happy with this month or not. So the first cool thing that I got was this curler. So it's this curler like that, and it has it's a curling wand, and it's from the brand Tarte. I've never heard of this brand, but I mean, this is like a 1-inch curling wand. I do not use curlers, so this one I'm going to be saving it for a giveaway. A lot of people have asked me why don't I use curlers. I just use curling rods on my hair when I curl it. I try to not put unnecessary heat on my hair, only when I straighten it, and my hair is kind of straight already. So if I want my hair to look like flat, like straight, that's when I straighten it. And I only do that occasionally, like maybe the most once a month. I don't like putting unnecessary heat because my hair is already bleached, so I don't want it to turn all like dry and ugly. So this one is pretty cool. Like, it's a really nice curler. And then I got this IKG Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm. So this is a leave-in conditioning balm that won't weigh your hair down. So this is cool. So after you take a shower, you could just wear this, and it's supposedly like weightless, and it's made with coconut oil, and it's supposed to just, you know, hydrate your hair, which is pretty cool because I need a lot of things to hydrate my hair. So I've never heard of this brand, but it's vegan, it's cruelty and gluten-free, UV protection, and mineral oil free, paraben and sulfate free. So those are pretty good things. And one of the things that I'm really excited I got, because I've been really into skincare lately, is this Sunday Riley Brightening Enzyme Water Cream. So if you guys don't know, Sunday Riley is a really prestige brand of skincare. So their skincare is really expensive, and I was so excited I got this, and I've been using it every night since I got it, and it's made my skin like so like plump and bright, and it just looks so beautiful. So I'm really excited that I got this in my box. I also got this Tarte Park Ave Princess High Performance Naturals. What is this? I think this is like let me open it up to show it to you guys. And I don't think I'm gonna be using this on myself, just because I have so many like highlighters and bronzers and stuff. So I'm just gonna save this for a giveaway, but it is a palette. It's a contour and highlight palette. It's really pretty and it smells like chocolate. So, and I just love the packaging. Look at this beautiful packaging. And then in the back, it's kind of like a mirror where you could see yourself, which I think is pretty cool. So it's really pretty. Then a palette that I am gonna keep is this Violet Voss Essentials palette. So it's like a, it could be like a mini palette like this, but to me it's like a regular palette. But if you guys know Violet Voss's palettes are pretty big. So I guess this is a mini one, and I guess these are like their best sellers or something. But it has pretty bright colors in here, and it just has like a lot of naturals and bright, so you can do like a combo of both, which I like because it has like the color Sand, which is this one right here. It's like a really good transition color. Terracotta could be a good transition color. Gold could be like a good shimmer color. Pink is like a really pretty color. Dusty Rose, Plum Berry, and Cinnamon. And then it has Emerald, which is like a good kind of shimmery green, and Black, which is like what you would use like for smoky eye. So I think this is cool because you can like mix it up. You can make something brighter, you can make something natural, and it's just so cute. And I do like Violet Voss's eyeshadow palettes. I have a few of them and I do like them. The next thing I got is this Stila Stay All Day Shimmer Liquid Lipstick, and I got it in the shade Shimmer, Patina Shimmer. And it's kind of like this color on the, it's the same exact color on the thing right here on the, what is this called? I don't know what that's called, but you guys understand me. It's like a shimmery pink, and I think I might use this. I'm not sure, because I mean I could just put it so it could be like kind of like a lip gloss, which is pretty cool. And another product that I'm really happy that I got is this Dr. Bryant Recovery Sleeping Mask. It deeply hydrates and moisturizes to reduce redness and signs of irritation. Dr. Bryant is a really good brand as well. It's like a really well-known brand in skincare, and I've used this as well, and it's just really good like to plump your skin up. Like, you know, when you guys have redness and you guys have like, oh, like you didn't sleep or something and your skin just looks really irritated, you could use this in the night, and it just makes your skin feel plump and glowy. So I really like this. I've tried this, and I tried the Sunday Riley, and they are really good. And the last thing that I got is this eyeliner by Hank and Henry. It's called Slick With It, and it's a long wear liquid eyeliner, and it's a fine tip. As you guys can see, this is how it looks. I'm kind of excited for this eyeliner because I actually have had like 3 of them from different brands. I think one of them was from BH Cosmetics. Another one, I forgot what brand it was, but I've been liking these because I feel like they're really easy to use, and it's really easy to get like that really nice eyeliner, you know? So I am kind of excited for this one. So now I'm gonna go over how much. So this month, this is the theme All Access, and I'm gonna go over like how much each product costs, okay? So the Violet Voss Essentials eyeshadow palette is retailed into $29. The Dr. Bryant Hydro Botanic Recovery Sleeping Mask is $52. The Hank and Henry Bickelty Black Eyeliner is $20. The Stila All Day Liquid Lipstick is $22. The Tarte Park Avenue Princess Palette is $45. The Sunday Riley Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream is $65. The Sultra Clipless Curling Iron with Cool Tip is $65. The IGK Mistress Hydrating Balm Leave-In Conditioning Balm is $29. So in total, let me see what is the total like retail value. So it's 29 plus 52 plus 20 plus 22 plus 45 plus 65 plus 65 plus 29. So everything in this box is retailed $327. So for $50, this is pretty worth it. And it's only every 3 months. So do I recommend it? Yes, I do. I'm always surprised with the stuff I get in BoxyCharm because it's like really high-end products and I really like it. And I think it's worth it because I really don't buy that much makeup anymore. I just use that membership, and that way I have things I need. And I've discovered so many cool things from BoxyCharm, like I got the It Cosmetics, so was it the It Cosmetics moisturizer there, and I've been loving that one, so I just had to repurchase it. So I would recommend it. Also, what I used to fill in my brows, I got it from my BoxyCharm. So I think it is worth it, and I think the Boxyluxe is worth it. So if you guys want to join, I'm going to leave my link down below. And also just please remember to like, to subscribe, to comment. If you guys have any questions, any concerns, or anything, leave them down below. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in my next video. Thank you.